Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Today I'm excited to share the Style with Your Heart collaboration video, hosted by my sweet friends Angela at Angela's Hangout and Carol at Inspired By. They asked us to do some form of DIY or decorating project for Valentine's Day. I decided to decorate my mantle. I hope you enjoy. This DIY lace-like banner from the store Typo and added some decorative pink letters spelling out the word love. I also added these adorable flowers that I picked up from TK Maxx. They have the most beautiful array of flowers at the moment, guys, and the best part of all, they stay like this forever. Added this decorative round glass ball that I picked up from TK Maxx. On the right hand side, I styled my little turquoise table with more decorative flowers, as well as this adorable little locket that I picked up from Spotlight Australia. I then started by decorating my side chair with this beautiful throw from Adair's. I then added this beautiful blush pink cushion from Target, as well as the feather cushion also from Target. And here is my decorative mantle, guys, all ready for Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day, guys, and I was so honoured to be a part of this wonderful collaboration. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. A big shout out goes to my sweet friends Angela at Angela's Hangout, as well as Carol at Inspired By. Please go and check their channels out, which I'll leave linked down below, and see other YouTubers who have participated in this wonderful collaboration.